Still using paper gift bags and throwaway wrap? There's a better way. Meet our eco-chic cotton linen gift bag set. Reusable and refined. Each bag's gusseted. Reinforced base keeps gifts upright and secure. Books, candles, skincare, perfect for any occasion. Our organza wrap filler adds a beautiful finishing touch. Gently layer in the second wrap to create fullness and make your presentation feel truly special. Includes reusable organza wraps and a kraft tag. No waste. From birthdays to baby showers, each size fits your needs beautifully and consciously. Reusable, elegant, thoughtful, the gift wrap they'll remember and reuse. Ready to ditch the waste and wrap with love? See how our gift bags turn simple moments into something meaningful. Only at beautyblisss.com.